Hi everyone, Celia here. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my French twist for my duty. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So my hair, it's originally very curly. What I do is I straighten this front section. So let's say I take this part and this part, so these two. Either I blow dry it or I straighten it with the flat iron, and after that then I can start with the French twist. Why? Because, oh my god, sorry, my hair looks very ugly today. Because if I don't straighten it, then it won't look neat, because I have curly hair here like that it won't go down, never. If you have straight hair, you can still do it. If you have curly hair, you can still do it. In this tutorial, I'll teach you some ways according to the size, to the length, sorry, of your hair. Okay, so I'll show you some options. For my hair, what I do is like I pull it all the way back. This first step goes for all the hair lengths. So I comb my hair all the way back. Okay, like this. Okay. So here it comes the differences. First difference, if you want, you can make the partition, the line. It's up to you. If you don't like it, then just comb all your hair to the way back. I like it like this. Then another of the differences is like the length of your hair. If you have the hair as long as me, I have it until, I'll show you, I'll have it until here. So if you have it the same as me, what you can do is you just, I'll do it just very fast so you can see, but then later I'll do it properly. You can just twist it up and then twist it down like this. Or if you have longer hair than me, then you can take two fingers like this, and then this finger, what do you call this finger? Okay, this finger, you take it like this, you grab the hair, and then you double twist it. And then you put it up like this. That's the option with the long hair. And the third option is if you have short hair, then what you can do is you just pull it down, and let's say it's until here, so you can just twist it and make it up. Let's say your hair finishes here, so you just twist it until there. I'll comb it back again. If it's useful for you to comb it back with some hair oil or moisturizer or something, so just go ahead and do it, because some hairs won't stay right. So just comb it back like that. And what I like to do is the front section, I take a small part of it and I keep it aside. Okay, like this. Let's take a little bit more. Yeah, this step, it's up to you. If you are doing it all the way back, so you don't need to do it. Okay, I'm doing it slowly because I want you to learn step by step, but it usually takes me very few seconds to do this hairstyle, especially if my hair, it's not like I didn't wash my hair today. If I wash it today, so it takes me a little bit longer and I need more moisturizer or gel, but if not, it's gonna be way faster. So let's say I comb my hair back already, and then what I do is I twist it, I put it up, then I twist it again and I put it down. I tuck the ends in and I roll it over. like this. Okay, so this will still be visible. I'll show you how to hide it, sorry. And you will need bobby pins, these ones. Can you see them? Okay, there. These ones, the open ones. So you can start putting them. From down, starting from down. Oh, I cannot grab it because of my nose. Okay. Then the second one, a little bit more up. The third one, you can use as much as you can. Just don't use extra bobby pins because it will be there. But yeah, as much as you can. Trying to make your hair look neat. Okay, this is the fourth one. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to secure the half bottom part, right? So before securing the other half upper part, I'll secure this first. So if you can see, I'll secure this with a closer bobby pin. You can see it there. Okay, this one is a little bit closer than the other one. If you can see the difference, I'll show you. This one, okay, can you see the difference? This one, I'm not even showing this properly. Maybe like this, you can see it. Okay, see, this one is very open. And this one is closer, but still not the flat one, right? So with this one, I'll secure this first, so it won't show like that, just down. And then with the comb, I'll start combing all the hair from the top to the other side of my twist. Okay, if it's nice for you and if you like it, you can do this look higher like this. But because for me, I don't really like it, also because of the hats and everything. So what I do is I comb it really neat and down so I can fix the hat properly, and I tuck it in as well. So I hope you can see over there like how I tuck it in. And then I continue securing with the bigger bobby pins the other half upper part. To continue, we have very important two parts to finish. First thing, the front section. If you have bangs, either the front or the side ones, it will be cute if you leave them outside. It's up to you. If not, if you have like a longer piece like me, then you can just comb it to the back, but make it a little bit more here to the front, like this. You see, and then you tuck it inside the French twist, and this time you will secure with a bobby pin, but the thin ones, the flat one. This section I will just comb it, okay, and then I'll put another bobby pin, the flat ones, to secure. Final touch, we'll grab some hairspray. I will spray it. Let's say I'm spraying because I don't want to hairspray my hair again. It's with too much spray right now. I'm gonna wash it after this actually. And yeah, just use as much hairspray as you need. Not that much because hairspray is not that great for your hair. or you can as well secure with gel, wax, whatever it works for your hair. So yeah, I hope you understood every step. I hope you liked the tutorial as well. If you have any questions, just leave it down here in the box, in the comments. And please subscribe, and you can follow me on my social media. And thank you so much for watching. Ciao!